What you got running here, man?
Four XV3 18s on 2 salt AKs.
Yes, sir. Been a while since I seen you.
Yes, sir.
Play me some of that suicide.
What kind of design is it? Like a
6 order?
Yeah.
Yep.
Like you designing everything yourself?
I didn't design it, no. Hunter Martin designed it.
Oh yeah, that's the go-to guy right there. Heard a lot about his work.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man.
Love it.
Yeah, man. It's nice.
Thank you.
Where can I find you on social media anywhere? Are you online?
Yeah, just Facebook.
Okay.
Team Hit 'em Where It Hurts.
Okay. I'm gonna be sure to tag him down below. It was good seeing you, bro.
Right,
thank you. See those speaker pods right there?